Okay, how do you enable Do Not Disturb while driving? Well, you go to Settings, and in the second grouping you got Do Not Disturb, and when you scroll down you'll see Do Not Disturb while driving, activate manually. So this will require you to turn it on yourself when you get in the car. If you touch this, automatically when it senses that a car is moving, it will activate Do Not Disturb. So anyone in the back seat or in the passenger seat will still have Do Not Disturb activated. And when the car is connected to Bluetooth. So if your car has a Bluetooth connection and the driver usually has the connection with the phone, then it'll go into Do Not Disturb mode and they won't get any texts. Here is the auto reply when your car is in Do Not Disturb while driving. You can auto reply to favorites, all contacts, recents, or no one. And this is what it says when they send you a text and you have Do Not Disturb while driving on. It says, I'm driving with Do Not Disturb while driving turned on. I'll see your message when I get where I'm going. And to change that, you just tap there and add a little something to it or do whatever you want. And also, when you have it set to manual, let me go back to Do Not Disturb. If you have this set to manual, like for your kids or something, you can enable a Do Not Disturb while driving custom icon down here. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me see. We have to go to the Control Center, Customize Controls, and here are the ones that I haven't added, so I'm going to add 4 more just to add a row. But here's Do Not Disturb while driving, and I'll add stopwatch, screen recording, and text size. So you'll see it right here. I'm going to slide it down to the very end so it's the very last icon in my control center. Now, when you get in your car, if you have Do Not Disturb manual setting, you just touch that. It says you will not receive notifications while you are driving. Turn it off, you just tap it again. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have any video requests, leave a comment below. If you are interested in further iPhone support, you can take a private iPhone lesson or online courses at smartphonelearningzone.com. Thanks.